Microsoft has perhaps made the biggest mistake in their company history and completely undermined the privacy of Windows users. Microsoft has changed its service contract and can thus, if you have agreed to the service contract, control all your data. This means that Microsoft can control all your photos, documents, and videos if you use Windows and have agreed to the service contract. If you want to use Windows, you must also provide Microsoft with your data, because if you as a user do not want to provide any data, Microsoft does not want to conclude a contract and you cannot use Windows at all. The paragraph that Microsoft does not claim ownership of the user's content should give you pause for thought, actually a matter of course, but Microsoft is now accessing the user data so strongly that it obviously has to be emphasized again that the user data remains the property of the user. The next paragraph, which I will now show you, is really critical because under verification, it literally states that user data can be verified by automated systems and humans in order to identify illegal or harmful content or conduct. The Code of Conduct also states that no harmful actions may be taken and that even the attempt of an unlawful action is prohibited. But what exactly is meant by this is not defined in more detail and is therefore left to Microsoft's discretion. Since ChatGPT now belongs to Microsoft, you should also not ask the wrong questions there, because if an attempt to circumvent the usage restrictions should develop, Microsoft could consider this as a jailbreak attempt and classify it as an illegal action. Even if you record a video and the radio is playing copyrighted music in the background, this could be classified as unlawful behavior and lead to problems if checked by Microsoft. It becomes really contradictory that you should refrain from actions that violate the privacy of others. This means that you are not allowed to take pictures in public with other people and save them in Windows. However, the fact that Microsoft itself then controls this data and thus violates your privacy does not seem to be a problem. If the automated systems or people at Microsoft determine that you have unlawful content or have engaged in wrong behavior when analyzing your data, there are various punishments that can then be enforced. These range from restricting access to certain features or services to closing your Microsoft account or blocking individual emails, file shares, or instant messages. Content licenses or memberships already purchased would simply expire. For many users, the end of Microsoft's privacy policy is likely to be synonymous with the end of their use of Windows. If you want to know 5 reasons why you should switch to a Chromebook now, click the video on the left now. If you want to see my in-depth Chromebook introduction with lots of helpful tips and tricks, click on the right video now, and I'll say thanks for watching and bye until the next video.